When we have gender balanced teams, we actually have some incredible benefits, and these benefits are statistically proven. We have greater profits. We have a lot stronger talent attraction and retention. We achieve higher returns. We drive better environmental and social governance outcomes. And we also have lower risk profiles and better credit ratings. So equality across the board has a huge amount of positive impact within culture. And what we're going to look at here in the next topic here is how do we address and let go of gender stereotypes? They exist everywhere, but if we can talk about them openly and tackle them positively, we can actually create really great change. So let's have a look here. We're going to have a look at some of the stereotypes, and these are just a couple of examples here. And one that I'd like to point out that I feel is relevant for me in my experience is service fallacy. It's a woman's job to make sure that everyone is looked after. This really comes down to women naturally being really great caregivers, but this service fallacy is fueled by the concept that women are only service orientated and men are action orientated. So women are good at looking after people, accommodating people, and nurturing people because they have to, but they're not good at it because they want to be. It's out of necessity. They have to do this. So over time, societal expectations and those systemic challenges have actually compelled women out of necessity to be good in these roles. And this is one thing that we want to break down in terms of a stereotype, because women can also be really empowered and action-oriented as well. What is the impact of bias and stereotyping? How does this impact the people or the women in our organization? Well, we have seniority drop off, and that means that even though half the workforce are women, they're still largely underrepresented in leadership. And we want to empower them into those senior roles to achieve that gender equality. And we also experience the lack of sponsorship for female leaders. So, and we also women earn less but work harder overall. And even though we're the fourth highest level of tertiary educated women in the world, women still earn less than men. So we are making progress towards getting equal footing, but it's a unified effort, and we need everyone across the board, across the organization, to all pitch in and to help lift women up